Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back. Thank you all for coming back and tuning in to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to do a blowout, okay? I have a fresh wash head right now. I have conditioned my hair. I haven't detangled and I haven't sprayed in any of the leave-ins that I use when I'm preparing to get ready to blow dry my hair. So I'll explain the products that I'll be using and then we'll get started with the blow drying, all right? So the first product that I'll be using is going to be Ste A Miracle Leave-In. I'll leave the description down below, all right, for this. The next one will be the Apoghee Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. I love this stuff, you guys. All right, and I will just be applying Biosilk to my hair, all right? So I'll go ahead and get my hair sectioned off. We're gonna get the blow drying process started, and then I'll show you all, you know, how this attachment actually works, you know, with this blow dryer, because it is universal. It's not included with this ion blow dryer, all right, you guys? I purchased both products from Sally's. It's an Ion Magnesium Pro blow dryer, and this is an Ion Universal comb attachment, all right? So, stay tuned. All right, you guys, I have my hair all blown out now. I'm so happy. This took every bit of about 20 minutes to blow dry my hair, okay, you guys? Okay, do you all, I'm not sure if you all can see the amount of shine that I still have. My hair is so soft, and as you can see, my color did not fade much. Well, it faded a little bit. It's enough that it's on my fingernail tips, but that's okay. My hair feels great, you guys. My hair is very well moisturized. It's very, very soft. It still has plenty of body, as you all can see, you know. And, well, you see, I have a lot of hair. But, all right, you guys. So, if you'd like to see more videos like this, I feel really good about the blow dryer that I am using. I have used it in previous videos, and it's, you know, I keep talking about it because it is a new blow dryer that I have purchased. I didn't, you know, once always have the same blow dryer, but I did have the same flat iron, okay? But this iron blow dryer has not let me down. I like it. I'm liking the comb attachment as well. I'm used to blow drying my hair with just a paddle brush and just the blow dryer. So this and a paddle brush, and I would blow dry out. One hand would have the brush and the other would have the blow dryer. So this was very handy. I like it. Yeah, definitely. The comb didn't break or anything like that. I did hit my head a little too hard a couple times, but that's all right. That is okay. All right. But you guys, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. I'd like to thank you all for watching thus far. All right. I give the blow dryer out of a 1 to 10, 10 being the highest rating score. I go ahead and give it a 10. The heat was great. It didn't fry my hair. My hair doesn't feel, you know, overly heated or, you know, dried in certain areas than others. Everything feels like it's the same amount of heat that was distributed throughout my hair. So I am liking the iron blow dryer. I'll list everything below of the products that I use. Also, a description and the pricing for off of Sally's, so that you all, if you all show an interest in wanting to know the type of blow dryer I use to achieve this blowout, stay tuned. I want you all to go ahead, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video. Make sure you all have that post notification bell already on. Tap it if you haven't. Go ahead and like everything. Go ahead and comment if you have any suggestions. Until next time, you guys, stay safe.